Hello, welcome to my channel Smart Solutions for Science and Maths. Today we are doing chapter 1 Matter in Our Surrounding, class 9, and the in-text questions. Question number 1, convert the following temperatures to Celsius scale. We have to convert the temperature to Celsius scale. For solving such type of questions, we have to remember the following formulas. इनको सॉल्व करने से पहले हमें ये फार्मूले लर्न करने होंगे. इफ़ वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट टेम्परेचर इन सेल्सियस, दैट इज़ if we have to convert Kelvin temperature into Celsius temperature, then the formula will be C means Celsius is equal to Kelvin temperature minus 273 if we have to convert Kelvin into Celsius. And if we want to convert Celsius into Kelvin, then the formula will be Kelvin is equal to Celsius plus 273. If these formulas are with us, we can calculate any temperature. First part is we have to convert 300 Kelvin into Celsius. As I have shown above, we have to convert Kelvin into Celsius. So it will be Kelvin minus 273 degree. So 300 minus 273, it will be 27 degrees Celsius. Second is we have to convert 573 Kelvin into Celsius. The formula used here will be the same as I applied in part A. So 573 is Kelvin to Celsius. It will be done 573 minus 273. It will be 300 degree Celsius. Question is, what is the physical state of water at 250 degree Celsius and B 100 degree Celsius? इसमें हमें बताना है कि पानी की फिजिकल स्टेट क्या होगी 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर और 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर. पार्ट द स्टेट फिजिकल स्टेट ऑफ वाटर एट 250 डिग्री सेल्सियस. As we know, the boiling temperature of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. After that, it starts vaporizing. So, it will be in a gaseous state. As boiling temperature of the water is 100 degrees Celsius. B part, physical state of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Since we know the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, so water boils at this temperature. Thus, it can exist in both liquid and gaseous form. So, at this temperature, water starts changing from liquid state to gaseous state. As we know that water starts boiling at 100 degrees Celsius, and after that it starts changing into vapors. So it will exist in both liquid and gaseous form. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, click the like button on it and click the bell icon so that you can get the notification earliest. Thank you.